So here's my Paracord wrap on my AR. Super simple to do, super nice, and hey, they always say who doesn't need rope? I mean, look how cool that came out. I will put the link down below on how to do it, and it actually came up on the lower part of the shock blade is up on my cheek, but my chin kind of touches it, so it makes it feel a little more comfortable on my cheek too. So not only do I have some cord if I need it, and I got 5 strain, 550, so I believe there was oh, 5 strands of thread inside the paracord and a red waxed cord for fire tender to if you need to make a fire. And obviously the other strings inside, I mean, if you want to if you're in a situation you need to make fishing line or more tinder to start a fire, it's very useful. I mean, and then obviously the outer section would be super useful for if you're in a situation you need to make a lean side tent or shelter, whatever. Yeah, just super useful to have. As you can see, it totally clears. There's no interference with anything, and it just it just looks super cool, and it's a great addition. Thanks for watching.